what's up, y'all? It's Peaches, your favorite nail tech. Welcome back to my channel. So we're back again because this is the second time today that we're uploading, and I really just wanted to show you guys this really cute pink kind of Valentine's Day set. I had asked for a nail model, and here we are. So before we go ahead and get to the video, you guys already know we're gonna go ahead with our subscriber shout out, and today's second subscriber is Mercedes Elise, who has been subscribed since Monday. Appreciate you, boo. Y'all already know, go ahead and subscribe, click the notifications on, because if the notifications on, how do you know when I'm here? Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, this whole video is fast forward like a mug. So the pink that I use is LA Sunset. I showed you guys first nude, but I'm not even gonna lie, I went ahead and swapped it out for second nude. And then the clear, of course, is Young Nails, because it's Young Nails, like, obviously, you know what I'm saying. And then yeah, you could listen, it's a lot going on, okay? It's a lot. So you could use first nude instead of second nude. I did go ahead and use it previously. I just wasn't feeling it, but y'all already know all the not polished colors is everything, because if it's not polished, it's not what, it's not nobody, it's really not nothing, to be honest with you. So because you don't have to be careful, like, it's okay, really, I don't even care. So what was I saying? Honestly, I wasn't saying nothing. So here we go. You guys already saw me do an ombre earlier. It was an XL ombre on small nails. Now this particular ombre, this is what you would probably consider more of like a standard nail size, I guess. All nail beds is normal, because listen, you come how you come. Well, okay, your nails are your nails, okay, but this is kind of what people are more used to seeing, what they're more comfortable with, and you can already tell about the nail size just based off of looking at this versus the last one. And honestly, I'm not even going to focus on anything in particular. I just kind of wanted to upload a second video because I had the content, and I'm going to be doing a freestyle tomorrow or something. I'm doing something tomorrow where I'm just going to record that and post that tomorrow, and I don't want to waste my content, and I have a lot of it. Like I said, I will probably be doing some double uploads here or there, because I'm going to have so much Valentine's content. It's honestly, it's sickening. It's going to make you sick. So you guys should already know by now how I like to do my ombres. We like to lay all the tips first, and then we're gonna go on the other hand. Well, okay, normally I would do the same hand, but because the other hand was I was having some mishaps basically, so I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and record on the other hand. And then also too, because I started out with first nude, I kind of wasn't fucking with it, so I ended up swapping it out for this. So you guys already know, go ahead, get your blend started, and then lay your cuticle beads and just blend it down. I already spoke on it earlier, so I'm not going to go into too much depth or detail into it, just because I already posted an ombre video for it today. Now, how many of you guys are getting Valentine's Day sets? And if you're a nail tech, let me know. What's up? Oh, am I the one? Oh, okay. If you're a nail tech, let me know what type of sets that you've been seeing on your Instagram, your Explore, and all of that you want to go ahead and try. Because I've been seeing a lot of people doing the flames with hearts, and a couple of weeks, no, not even a couple weeks ago, the other week, I asked if somebody wanted to be a nail model for it. So I will have the flaming heart set. Yeah, I'll be having that coming soon, so stay tuned for that. You guys already know I'm gonna be on it. So yeah, you guys, basically this was just really a quick video, so that way I can kind of get all this content off of my phone, so I can make room for tomorrow. Somebody did ask, or actually, it wasn't even an ask. Somebody told me that they was waiting for me to go live. I know I have not been live for a couple of days, and that's only because the times where I'm gonna go live, it kind of just doesn't work out. Like, either one of my phones or multiple of my phones is dying, or maybe the person didn't get what I thought they was gonna get, or anything like that. But I will hopefully be going live tomorrow, because I do have a fill in the morning, and I kind of like going lives on fills, so that way you guys can actually see. It's like more of a transformation type thing, and kind of shows my retention of my work. So if this post, it's Monday, January 31st now, okay, if by the time I post this is midnight and we talk about Tuesday, February 1st, just know we're just gonna say Tuesday, February 1st, okay? That's when my client is supposed to come. So that's the day I'm talking about possibly going live. In the morning. It is earlier in the day, so people who are at work, you're probably gonna have to go back and rewatch it. But listen, if y'all is cool with that, I'm cool with that. Because I noticed you guys actually rewatch my lives. Like, I have some lives that actually have like 100 views and stuff. So, like, shout out to you. Thank you, babe. Shout out to y'all. You see? Well, y'all can't see it, but, you know, my little thing. He back there setting up the studio, getting the stew. Ain't that right?
Yeah,
Making hits. Making hits. Making hits. Yeah. So, anyways, you guys. I will, of course, be recording my nails. I already said this, but I gotta do a shorter set. Like, my finger, it don't hurt. Nothing's like wrong. Okay, I don't want to say nothing's wrong. It's just my nail is not in the best shape. So I was waiting for, I thought it was gonna be grow out. A child, please. I'm finna shut up because I can't even talk. I don't know why. But just know I'm gonna do my nails in the next like 2 weeks. Okay. So I think I'm about to show you guys the application, what it final result of the application looks. And I'm not even gonna lie, I had to like double check and look back to make sure, like, did I just show them the finished filed result? Like, come on through. So I already went with the e-file, and I'm just kind of showing y'all a little glimpse of filing. I didn't include it in the last one. I do still have a clip of me filing that was XL nails, so I probably will hold on to that, and I will just use that on a day. Just honestly when I don't really have too much content, or when I just want to do a shorter video, because sometimes I realize some people do not like longer videos. Most of y'all seem like y'all don't mind, or, you know, from what you tell me and stuff. But for those who want shorter videos, I'm also trying to produce that type of content, because, you know, everybody's different. So I just, you know what I'm saying, I want to have variety, you know, like, I don't want to just be the same old like little one trick pony. And I like to listen to you guys' comments, you guys' feedback, and I'm really trying to build a like home base here on my channel, like with actual group of subscribers that's really just kind of messing with me and my content, and that we can have, like, you know, some more like customized type of content basically. So that way you guys really enjoy the content I'm putting out. Like I said, listen, baby, once I hit 1,000 subscribers and I get that community tab, it's gonna be over, okay? Because some people that, yeah, they do not talk in the live chats, but on the community tab, when I can actually update y'all and y'all can actually give me feedback, I'm trying to make it go down. Well, okay, that sounds weird, but y'all get what I'm saying. So we're about almost done with the filing. I went back in with the e-file again to enhance the C-curve. If you don't know what the C-curve is, that is where the tip of the nail is kind of like half moon at the tip. Yeah. You can put a C-curve in anything, except I guess if it's a non-C-curve tip, but still you can. So here go filing and shaping. And I try to get from a side angle so you guys can see no lumps, no bumps. I do take photos like that and put them on my Instagram as well, because it's important to show your work from as many angles as possible. I hear, you know, multiple stories about people who they work look cool on the Instagram, but when they got there, different angles was not looking, you know what I'm saying? It was catfish. It was getting catfish, okay? So, this particular client, as I said, she booked as a nail model. I was looking for a couple of girls to do like very like girly ombre sets with like a little bit of charms and bling. And this is what I went ahead and came up with. Really, honestly, it's something slight. I didn't want it to be like too Valentine's Day, because, you know, I wanted it to like go with the theme of Valentine's, but I didn't want it to necessarily be looked at and be like, oh, you got that for Valentine's Day, you know? So I wanted to give people other options instead of just seeing hearts and, well, okay, there's clearly a heart on here, but other options besides just purely Valentine's sets, because some people not into it, you know. But I did want to go ahead and use this pink because it's really cute. A lot of people be sleeping on the darker pinks, and it's not fair, okay? It's really not fair. This pink is really cute. So now with the flowers, I really like this big pink flower. I can't remember where I got it from, to be honest, because it only came in a pack of a couple, and honestly I got it like a while ago. But I feel like I like making looks around a couple of pieces, and I knew that I wanted to use these little hearts. I did purchase some hearts hearts, baby, no. I did purchase some flowers off of Amazon, some flower charms, like 3D white flower charms. They were way smaller than I thought, and they were like roses, and I wasn't feeling them at the time. They're a lot smaller than I thought. I typically like bigger charms, and just what I had in my head, it just wasn't that. I didn't even look at the measurements, honestly, which I should have. I just kind of bought it, but I didn't even look. So on the other hand, we're gonna glue down this heart. It's like a sugar heart, and these charms are really easy to glue down. I know a lot of people think like, oh, if they snag, they're gonna like, girl, be quiet. Obviously you don't get these charms, so you don't know, or you went to somebody who was trash and don't know how to secure. Like, do not let people saying that be the reason to stop you from either using charms or wanting charms, because then it's just people who run their motherfucking mouth and they don't know nothing about nothing. Well, they might not know nothing about nothing, but they don't know nothing about these charms if they don't get them, but they sure be wanting to tell you not to. Like, let's everybody just do what you like, okay? So I'm very sorry for any footage that's kind of like off the screen or not as fully in frame as I would like it to be. That's kind of another reason why I just was like, you know what, let me just do this video and just give them some content, because some stuff wasn't really in the screen anyways. But yeah, I went ahead and did this design. I really like this nail actually, and she really did too. She was like a really big fan of this nail. You know, this was cute, the little heart bling, very cute, very subtle, just to further tie it in with the other big heart, you know what I'm saying? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you feel about the shorter videos. I know this wasn't as in depth and as I normally explain, but I figure we're getting to a point, I have so much content that, you know, everything don't always need to be fully explained every time, because I literally do it every time. But yeah, you guys don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on them notifications. Go ahead, I'm gonna give you a second and make sure you subscribe, because you guys, the channel's going up, okay? So here we go again with the final look. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed this type of look. Let me know what you guys want to see, and y'all already know it's daily uploads. So that means I'm finna what? I'm finna see y'all tomorrow.